Hey you guys, it's Luke Newcomer here with the Newcomer Group. Atlantic view, expansive views of the ocean. Folks, we're on the second floor. I'm super excited and thrilled to give you a private property tour of this home. The address is 5225 Atlantic View. You've got right around 5 bedrooms, you got 3 bathrooms, you got an oversized 2-car garage. The place is to the nines, completely slammed out, all block construction, amazing outdoor space. Best is downstairs, completely separate from the second floor. You've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath that you can utilize as vacation rentals and be grossing right around $70,000. This house is being offered turnkey, and I'm ready to give you guys a tour. Let's start downstairs. I can literally still see the ocean from here. We started on the deck because, obviously why wouldn't we start with the views? This house is probably something you've never seen in the St. Augustine market. We're gonna start on the first floor, so come on up this way. Hopefully you got a nice big view of it all. We're gonna go around the back to it's separate access for your guests, or if you wanted to keep it as an in-law suite, generational living. Come on back here. You got an outdoor shower, fully enclosed. I'll take you to the backyard really quick just to get a quick view of that. Fully fenced in, you got the hammock, hangout spot, the grill, tons of Florida local vegetation for privacy. Let's go inside to the guest house. Again, I don't think you've ever seen something like this in our marketplace being offered, so come on in. Now before I take you back, let's show you the first bedroom down here. Standing here for reference, it's super clean. All concrete polished floors, modern, coastal, tastefully finished. The kitchen's incredible. I'll stand back here. Nice open living space. You got the couch set up, the TV, access to the outside. I'm gonna actually have you flip around and stand in the kitchen really quick. You got stainless steel appliances, nice stone countertops. This place is totally slammed out. Take you into the bathroom. So there's 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom down here. His and hers vanity sinks, tons of storage, the toilet, you got the rain shower in here, it's completely tiled. And then we'll take you into bedroom 2. Every little thing, every detail in this downstairs setup has been thought of. There's not a single thing you need to do here. Again, this place is being sold completely furnished and turnkey. So now we're gonna go out here around the garage and enter through the front door to take you upstairs. All right guys, you just saw the downstairs unit. Obviously that's amazing. Second floor, you got the views. Let's go check it out. We're going into the main part of the house. Now off to my left again, that's the 2.5-car garage, oversized. Gives us separation from the downstairs. So now we're coming up to the second floor. You've got 3 full bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Again, everything's been tastefully renovated. I'm gonna walk over to the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, beautiful tile backsplash, big island. This place was meant for entertaining. It was meant for friends to come over, cooking up tasty dishes, and it's all open, high ceilings, big views. This is just such a comfortable setup, guys. All impact glass. They did not spare any expense renovating this property. So now we're gonna go back and show you the bedrooms, okay? You got laundry room right here. We'll keep that closed, it's nice and tucked back. We'll get the first bedroom upstairs. I'll stand in here for reference for you. I don't know if you can get all the way in and kind of see what looks back here, but it's tasteful, it's comfortable. I'll take you to the full bathroom. You've got access from the living quarters and off this bedroom, but I'll step in here. Nice tile, nice stone throughout, beautiful fixtures, nice vanity. So you come out through here, we're gonna take you into bedroom 2. You've got access to the back deck. Very comfortable. Now we're gonna take you into the master, which is right over here. It's super spacious, it's very calming in here. You got access to the back porch, check the weather in the morning, have your morning coffee, get ready for the day. What I love about this house though, is this ensuite. You've got the Japanese style soaker tub, you've got a rain shower, additional shower, toilet around the corner, his and hers vanities, amazing space setup in here, guys. Deep closet space as well. I'm not going to open this up, but when you come and tour this property, I'll show you what the storage space looks like. Let's come back out here. I want to end on the deck, but I want you to also get the effect of coming out to this area and experiencing this open living space. Big statement fireplace. You've got to check this house out for yourself. The address is 5225 Atlantic View. It's been completely renovated. You've got big ocean views. This would be an amazing second home, an amazing retirement home. You could offset it with the income on the bottom. You could rent the entire place out and probably gross over $150,000. Call my team today. You've got to see this house for yourself.